All right, go get it. Go get it.
Oh, nice. Cookie's afraid. I wonder what Rocket would do because he was getting in the snow a little bit finally.
I don't know. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. Come here, Rossi.
He's got 2 more days of that cone on his head. That'll take him to almost 2 weeks since the big event.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. There you go. There you go. Give it here. Give it here. Sit. Sit.
Good luck, man.
Sit. Sit. All right, here you go.
Rossi, you're the worst behaved.